event has been very well organized. I'm very pleased with the quality of the conversations we are having here. So the seniority of the delegates, so really the personas we are trying to sell to, so the people making decisions. I'm pleased to see, actually, I think 98% of the delegates are the right seniority level and in the position to appreciate what we're doing and also to make decisions. Most of the delegates we've talked to, they're very interested, they're genuinely interested in what we are offering, and they actually confirm they want to follow up. So far, very promising.
It's been a really good event. It's just been the whole sort of planning stages, the team that you've got behind you, like everyone's been amazing. And then being here 2 days, it's had thought-provoking sessions. We've had some great meetings with CISOs, great conversations and lots to follow up on. So it's going to be a really successful event. The one-to-one meetings have been really good. We have met with some really established companies. You guys are so unique because you really kind of have that feel like the whole team know who we are. They come to us straight away. They're making sure that, you know, even people that don't have meetings booked with us, they're bringing them over if we've requested them. The other thing that's a massive value add with you guys as well is your needs analysis workbook. So having the network that you guys have and you very clearly are respected is really important for us.
It's very efficient because you come here 1 or 2 days and you have a high concentration of these executives. That's really good. I mean, you don't get that level of attention just trying to talk to them. So it's really effective.
We'll expect quite a lot of ROI from this event. We've managed to book follow-up meetings with every single person that we've met. So we've had, I think, about 16 meetings, so 6 over our allocated slots, and all of them have booked meetings and have projects. So it's, you know, we're expecting quite a lot, more than we might normally. We're already, you know, hitting what we want to hit.